movement for Ivana, for her parents, for her well-wishers, the Chess Association, the Federation of India, and Sports Authority of Goa, the government, etc. Of course, Ivana has created a record in this particular win, wherein she has won the Asian Junior the second time, and now she has got a gold medal in Asian Junior, Asian Youth, World Youth, Commonwealth, all 2 times gold. And besides that, she has got many times she's got silver and bronze. Of course, this is a record which is created, but I hope it doesn't remain as a record for too long and it is broken by somebody. And we hope that comes very fast because we require to see chess progressing in India. Thank you. Thank you.